my name is Sizwe. I own a company called Egoli Products from Davidson, Etwatwa East. So what motivated me to start my business was ukugula kwami. I was diagnosed with a brain tumor 2018, and so I started reading more and looking. So we offer different types of herbal and holistic wellness products, from Isimos, which is Ulwembululwandle, 92 plus minerals that the body is comprised of. And then we have our herbal smoke blend that is a non-tobacco free and tea blend that you can use. And then we have our soaps, which are good for dermatitis and skin issues. People should really get into my products because they are natural and holistic, and they are for the people. They are for the African people. So you can find me on Instagram at egoliproducts.inc and Egoli Products on Facebook, and then you can also hit us up on WhatsApp at 072 480 7023. Hi, my name is Sizwe and I'm a Township Entrepreneur.